Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of advanced vehicle tracking with the GPS tracker for vehicles that comes with no monthly fees or subscriptions, offering you a hassle-free experience. This innovative device features a plug-and-play design with an included 4G SIM card, allowing you to set it up in just 3 minutes and start tracking immediately using the intuitive TrackEase mobile app. Enjoy super accurate, real-time tracking with updates every 30 seconds, and forget about recharging as this tracker runs directly from your car's power supply, going to sleep automatically when the vehicle is off. Manage multiple devices effortlessly with one account, streamlining your digital life and ensuring seamless control and synchronization. Our commitment to excellence extends to our exceptional customer support, with a responsive team ready to assist you with any questions or needs. Experience the future of vehicle tracking with unparalleled convenience and reliability, all in one powerful package. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.